Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change recording length of Instagram Reel or how to record longer reels on Instagram. First, let's go into the app. Once in the app, I'm going to select this reel right here. Then I'll tap on the camera icon in the top right hand corner. And in the left hand corner right below audio, you will see length. From there, you can simply tap on it. And as you can see, it goes to 60 seconds. 60 seconds is the longest you can record a reel for or upload a reel for. After you have selected 60 seconds, you'll simply tap on the circle right here if you would like to record a reel, or you can tap in the left hand corner to upload a clip from your gallery. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to change the length of an Instagram reel.